This is on the trip in between Petersburg and Moorfield. This is actually just coming out of Moorfield. And so you have just some beautiful scenery with the sun rising. There's Petersburg, and there's the route in between, and then there's Moorfield at the top. Just beautiful sunrise, so I couldn't help but just take some photographs of it and some movies. Blaze came with me on this trip, trusty companion, and on this venture we hauled a bunch of trash and a chair and some other things out of there on the way back home. Enjoy the scenery.
With the ball. And there we go again.
So we brought down a hose reel to put the hoses on and some hammocks, and I hung the hammocks. Just went and explored around the property just to kind of see how things are at the start. I still have to take that tree that fell, the wood pile, about 3/4 of a truckload, so we've got plenty of wood. Beware on this wood pile because one of the guests had seen a copperhead there, and so just stay clear of that and just grab the wood you need for the fireplace. Hot tub, drained that and refilled it. Bungee cord, I'm just going to remove this bungee cord and flip up the top. Check on it. Bungee cord, of course, keeps the wind, the top down so the wind doesn't blow. And everything looks good, so this hot tub is in great shape. And full of hot water. So we had a little storm that came through. And this was just waiting to see how the gutter was working outside of the garage. And got quite a heavy downpour for probably 20 minutes, 25 minutes. It was just gushing over there on the side, so the drain was blocked. And as a result of the drain being blocked, then all this water was coming in the garage, and it continually filled up the garage.
So after that huge rainstorm, this whole thing just was overflowing because it was getting jammed down in here. Turned out this drain was just full of muck, so I cut that out and I inserted another piece, so now hopefully this will flow all the way down just fine, instead of going inside the garage. Okay, here we go. Let's throw again. Nice roll, Blaze.
So I just went out and checked on the little bar next to the horseshoe set. That's looking good. I hung a hammock there in the trees, tested it out, works great. So there's a second hammock, so now we've got 2 hammocks out over in the side.
Test out the hammock. There we go. In, up. There we are. Yes, let me see if I can do this. I'll do a little swinging. Look who's coming over here.
Just in closing, just a couple of little snippets of the cabin and a couple of things around the cabin and inside and out. Hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching.